Hello, my name is Ing. I'm from Chiang Rai province. I graduated from Bachelor degree of Art, University of Chamber of Commerce, Bangkok, Thailand. Major in Convention, Exhibition, and Event Management. Yeah. I will tell you about my province, Phayao. Yeah. I love my favorite food is khao soi. You can see everywhere in the north of Thailand. Khao soi. I will tell you about khao soi. Khao soi, what is khao soi, right? Khao soi is the noodle of with curry, Indian curries, Thai style, with deep fried noodle and a lot of meat if you want to eat chicken or beef or pork. Or you're vegetarian, you can tell the mom of the restaurant to take you to you. Yeah. Hello, my name is Ing. Today is the second time of interview with Maru CHOT school. This is the second week of me. This week is so much happening, so much thing happen in my life. Yeah. Yesterday I went to the Noi restaurant Shabu with the other friend in Maru CHOT. This is the last day of Pime, my sister. Yeah, she will be on the cruise in the next year. I think so. Yeah, I hope she will be the success woman in her life. And this week I get to learn about how to play and so many things to do with Master CHOT. Him told so many things to do on the cruise. Yeah, I like about the table setting, yes, and napkin, and so much many things to do with him. I'm very excited to be here. Yeah, it's a memory, so much memory in my head. Yeah, thank you.